If you're trying to build a word cloud in Tableau Desktop and you're struggling, let me show you how to do it. So you need a minimum of one dimension and one measure. The measure is going to control the size of the words themselves. All right, so the reason people struggle with word clouds is it's not a pre-built function or a pre-built visualization in Tableau. So we have to build it from scratch, but it's super easy. The way you do it is first you want to select the actual words that you want to show in the word cloud. So for us, we're going to do subcategory. And instead of bringing it in like so, bring it like that, you actually want to drop it into label. You want to drop it in here. And what that does is it just creates them as individual, almost points of data represented by the labels themselves, as you can see here. Next, what we do is we want to add some sort of measure to actually put into the size. By the way, this data set is available, so if you want to follow along, it's in the description below. Say I want to use sales, I can drop that into size. Okay, and you're going to end up with this. Now, one thing you have to realize with a word cloud, because we're representing by size, the numerical value, so the measure that you're going to be using to size with, has to be positive because you can't have negative space, obviously. So from here, we're going to click on the marks card and select text. That's it. It's just those few easy steps, and now you have your word cloud. Now, the other part of a word cloud is actually adding color, and that allows it to jump more on screen. So you're using two things, which they call pre-attentive features, which is you're using size to communicate significance, and then you're also using color. So if we bring in sales into color, okay, we drop it in there, here's what happens. Sales into color, and now it is really jumping at you. Phone and chairs probably jumped right out at you. And this is the beauty of data visualization, is that you don't need to think. Your brain is going to interpret it naturally if you hit on those items of size, orientation, movement, motion, color, contrast, intensity. Once you hit all those things, data visualization is so natural for the brain to absorb, and that's what creates amazing visualizations. If you want to learn this kind of stuff, you want to learn about custom visualizations, or you want to have a full course on Tableau and learn it from start to finish, I have a course on my website. There's like hundreds and hundreds of videos there. If you want to check it out, it is in the description below. But until next time, bye.